Asesematsha amathuna angakileli ihlangothi lemathuneni walapha. Iningi labantu elingcwatshwe lapha libulewe ingogwana ye-COVID-19 phakathi komnyaka ka-2020 no-2021. Izakhamuzi nezi amathuna indawo ehlonitshwako begodu kulapha benza khona imisebenzi yesikhabo. Bathi njenganje uMasipalada ubathinde kabuhlungu enhlizweni ngombana bakhumbula ubuhlungu abadlule kibo nabakhanjelwa amalunga wemndeni abo abawathandako. Bathi uMasipalada wePolokwane ukhombise ukungazolani nabantu begodu akhenga khulumisane nabo ndanzi.
Here the municipality has actually removed this the landscape of their mother's grave. Actually this is my wife's grave, so to say. And I feel very much, my heart is very much painful as of now, due to the fact that we incurred, plus or minus 15,000 to just make this the landscape.
It's unacceptable. Many people has come to me since this happened. I'm trying to give bystand to all the families. It's just very difficult, and the municipality they don't know that they actually took our souls from our bodies, and we must relive everything again, which is so difficult, and it's just unbearable.
Kanti-ke uMasipalada wePolokwane uthi yena ukhuphe isaziso emphakathini bona uzabagangadela amathuna. Isaziso uthi usikhuphe ngomnyaka opheleleko ngenyanga kaSinyikhaba. Uthi uwaqale ntanzi amathuna ngaphambi kokuthi awagangadele, kanti alikho ithuna lonileko.